So it's obvious that one of these speakers is a Real Flip 6, but which one? I'll give you guys 3 seconds to decide which one it is. Alright, time's up. The Real Flip 6 is on the left. If you look closely at it, the logo is not sticking out. The buttons on this side are identical on the Real and the Fake, but the Real one gives you the party boost, while the Fake does not. Additionally, on the Fake, the plus and minus buttons have different programming. For instance, a quick press on the Real Flip 6 changes the volume, whereas on the Fake, it changes the song. On the genuine one, the name Flip 6 is certainly easy to read, but the counterfeit one has darker letters. The best and most obvious way to tell a fake is just by looking for the M button. JBL speakers will never have an M button, which stands for menu, and that's because they don't have any additional media options like the Fake has, which are the TF slot, the radio, and the USB port. The passive radiators are not the same. The Real one matches the color of the body, and it's not a sticker. As you can see, the straps are also different as well. Powering on the Real Flip 6 requires just a short press. For the Fake, you will need to actually press and hold down the button. The power on sounds are identical, but the Fake is extremely loud. To turn them off, you will need to follow the same steps. This is what the packaging looks like. The Fake box is on the left and the Real one on the right. So to help everyone out, please share this video on your social media platforms or wherever you can. I know a lot of you on my channel can tell the difference, but not everyone knows. Anyways, I'll conclude this video with the sound test. Don't forget to like and also comment. See you next time. Peace.
Mm-hmm.